Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. If you're looking for a way to keep your floors sparkling clean without the hassle, this mop might be perfect for you. Stay tuned to find out why this has become a popular choice for so many people. Let's look at its features, ease of use, and why it might be the right choice for your home. Product review. Design and key features. The O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop comes in a stylish red and gray combination, making it visually appealing for your cleaning arsenal. One of its standout features is the foot pedal spinning system, allowing you to wring out the mop hands-free. This is especially convenient for those with back or hip pain, as it reduces the need for bending down. Microfiber head. The microfiber head is highly effective in absorbing dust, dirt, and bacteria, making it ideal for tile, wood, or laminate floors. Because it's microfiber, the mop soaks up spills and grime effortlessly, leaving your floors streak-free and quick to dry. This makes it a practical choice for anyone who wants fast and effective cleaning. Usage instructions. The mop system is very user-friendly. Simply dip the mop head into water, place it in the wringer, and press the foot pedal to control how wet or dry you want the mop. This adjustability is great for cleaning different types of flooring, allowing you to use it just as you need. Pros and cons. Pros. 1. Easy and quick to use. 2. Effectively removes bacteria. 3. Hands-free wringing. 4. The microfiber head is machine washable and reusable. Cons. 1. Some may find it a bit pricey. 2. The mop head may need occasional replacement after prolonged use. Why you should buy it. The O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop is highly rated as an essential tool for effective home cleaning, especially if you have pets or need to mop frequently. It's efficient, easy to use, and designed to make cleaning faster and easier, while also maintaining a high standard of hygiene. Amazon customer reviews. Many customers on Amazon have praised this mop system for its convenience and effectiveness. One customer wrote, "I've tried multiple mops, but nothing beats the EasyWring. It makes mopping so much easier, and the microfiber really picks up dirt." Another mentioned, "Great for homes with pets. The foot pedal is a game changer, and I love that I don't have to touch the dirty water." However, a few customers noted that the mop head may wear out with regular use and require replacement, though they appreciated its washable and reusable design. So, that's our in-depth review of the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. We hope this breakdown helps you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you enjoyed this video and want more reviews like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share. Tell us in the comments below if you've used this mop and what your experience was. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!